देश के लोगों के साथ, गरीब के साथ बैठ के बात करेगा तब समझ में आएगा कि देश के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम चल रही है। My question, my statement is just like to not instead of make in India, we should go for make for India. First of all, it has विशाल सिक्का सेट अपने घर को पहले सजाना जरूरी है, तो मिलना ही है हमें, तो हमें जरूरी है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस दैट वी शुड बात
स्टेटमेंट आना तो मिलना
नहीं, no, sorry, I will,
you should correct.
rectify it. My question is, instead of make in India, we should go for make for India. That would be very nice, unless the 70% of the people who are residing, 40%, 40,000 villages are still lacking the electricity, and we are talking about digital India, man. How is it possible? ठीक है.
I would like to answer that. The version 2.0 of Make in India, version 2.0 that is launched in 2015, which was totally concentrated about the internal development of the country. MSME, small scale industries, middle scale industries, and micro level. We are providing loan to those small scale industries. This is in order to answer all the questions of these people. Under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, all entrepreneurs who want to establish their own entrepreneurship, they are provided with the loan at easy.
Okay, let's see what Madam has to say on this in response to what Modi ji has just now said. कि हम वाकई impetus दे रहे हैं MSME सेक्टर को, जिसमें हम माइक्रो इंक्लूड करते हैं, स्मॉल स्केल इंक्लूड करते हैं, मीडियम स्केल. तो क्या ये वाकई it is turning that dream into reality or not?
In my opinion, Mr. Modi ji, I don't think so. We are more focusing on small scale industries because the main problem in Make in India is that the lack of focus for MSMEs. They don't have that much resources or that much. They are bounded over with the restrictions. They don't have resources.
Policies are being reformed. It is being in process of reformation, and some policies are being reformed, and something are being in progress to be reformed.
See, if the policies are being reformed, all policies are reformed, then it will be a great opportunity, a great window for the industrials, for the entrepreneurs to peep out and make an India more successful, so that the GDP can also get increased.
Please allow me to shed some light on this topic, because it is very important to understand that amongst, when we are facing such an immense problem in the form of unemployment made with the youth or total, irrespective of the age group at all, we need to understand that today 84% of the total jobs in India are provided by the MSME sector. Out of that, 67% of the jobs are of micro enterprises, and therefore I think Mr. Modi ji has already launched certain flexibilities in the labor laws, and that to my mind is extremely critical, because India has, as I have said again and again, we have to think in terms of size and scale.
So in terms of that conducive atmosphere and the environment friendly,
So we can't just ignore the MSME sector. It is very important to have a keen eye upon it, because it is certainly helping us combat the real root problem that in my opinion is far more bigger than what Mr. Lalu Yadav has said, because Lalu Yadav's speech is already ranting about agriculture. You need
It is
to
important.
understand-
It is important.
Let me illustrate.
18वीं सदी की मानसिकता ये वाली 20वीं सदी में बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं ना.
हाँ, मैं आपको
और मोदी जी 21वीं सदी का कि जब आप उस जनता के लिए बात कर रहे हैं, 100 करोड़ की जनता के लिए, जिसने आपको वहां पे चुनाव जिता के वहां पे दिया है, तो आपका ये फर्ज बनता है कि आप वो 100 करोड़ की जनता के लिए सोचे, ना कि खुद के लिए सोचे, ना कि इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के लिए सोचे.
आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, प्लीज हियर मी आउट. आप मुझे एक बात बताइए लालू जी, कि सूर्यमुखी का फूल सूरज की तरफ क्यों घूमता है? क्योंकि सूरज एक नई सोच, नई टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ जहां हमें आगे बढ़ना है. राइट नाउ वी आर इन द एरा ऑफ IT. Focus our entire
We cannot eat chemicals. We have to eat vitamins.
मैं इस बात पे यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आपको पता है कि सूरजमुखी का फूल सूरज की तरफ मुड़ता है, इसलिए ये आपको पता है. गुलाब तो नहीं मुड़ता. बाकी फूल तो नहीं मुड़ते. इस बात पे आपका क्या विचार है? We have to focus on agriculture part, right?